Claude in PowerPoint is insane. Today I'm going to show you how Claude just killed slide decks forever. This thing turns your boring spreadsheets into full presentations in 30 seconds. No more staying up late making slides, no more copy-pasting charts like a robot, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business faster than ever. So Claude in PowerPoint just dropped, and this thing is actually insane. Anthropic just integrated Claude directly into Microsoft PowerPoint as a free add-in. But here's the catch, it's only for Max, Team, or Enterprise users right now, not the free version. And what does this thing actually do? It takes your CSV files or Excel spreadsheets and turns them into full presentations. Not just slides with text, I'm talking visuals, charts, brand templates, the whole thing, in under 30 seconds. So first, what is Claude in PowerPoint? It's an add-in. You download it from Microsoft, you connect your Claude account, and then you can use Claude right inside PowerPoint. You don't have to switch between apps. You don't have to copy and paste. Everything happens in one place. And here's how it works. You upload your data, could be a CSV file, could be an Excel spreadsheet, could be anything with numbers and information. Then you tell Claude what you want and it builds the entire presentation for you. Slides, charts, graphs, everything in seconds. Now, let me show you a real example because I'm not going to waste your time with fake demos. Let's say you run the AI Profit Boardroom. That's our community where we teach people how to scale their business with AI automation. And you want to create a presentation showing your weekly performance, how many new members joined, what your top posts were, how engaged people are, all that stuff. Normally, you'd spend hours on this. You'd open Excel, look at your numbers, make some charts, copy them into PowerPoint, format everything, add text, make it look nice. It's a nightmare. But with Claude in PowerPoint, you just upload your data, then you type something like this, create a presentation showing weekly performance for the AI Profit Boardroom, include total new members, engagement rates, top performing posts, and key growth metrics. Use a professional blue and white color scheme that matches our brand, and boom, Claude builds the whole thing. Slides with headers, charts showing growth, graphs with engagement, a summary of top posts, everything formatted and ready to go in 30 seconds. I'm not joking. The demo showed this happening in real time, and people lost their minds because this is a game changer. Now, some people are saying this is going to kill consulting jobs. And honestly, they might be right. Think about how many consultants spend hours making slide decks. McKinsey, Deloitte, all those big firms, their junior analysts are up all night making presentations. But now AI can do it faster and better. So what does that mean for you? It means you can compete with the big guys. You don't need a team of analysts. You don't need to hire expensive consultants. You just need Claude and some data, and you can create presentations that look just as good, maybe even better. Now, let me show you another example. Let's say you want to pitch a new service to your clients. You run an AI automation agency, and you want to show potential clients how AI can save them time and get them more customers. You have data from your current clients, time saved, tasks automated, customer growth, all that. So you upload that data to Claude, and you say something like this: create a sales presentation for AI Profit Boardroom showing how AI automation helps businesses save time and scale faster. Include case study data, time savings metrics, and customer growth stats. Make it persuasive and easy to understand. And Claude builds the entire pitch deck. Slide 1 is the problem. Businesses waste too much time on manual tasks. Slide 2 is the solution. AI automation saves hundreds of hours. Slide 3 is the proof. Real data from real clients. Slide 4 is the results. More customers, more growth, less work, and it all looks professional, like you hired a designer, but you didn't. Claude did it for free. Now, here's where it gets even better. You can customize everything. Claude gives you a starting point, but you can tweak it however you want, change colors, add your logo, move slides around, whatever you need. And this is important because some people are saying AI still needs human help, and they're right. Claude is really good, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the formatting is a little off. Sometimes you need to adjust a chart. Sometimes you want to add a custom image, but that's fine because Claude already did 90% of the work. You're just polishing it instead of starting from scratch, and that saves you hours. Now, let me give you some practical ways to use this. If you're in the AI Profit Boardroom, you can use this to create weekly updates for your team. Show them what's working, show them what's not. Keep everyone on the same page, and it takes 5 minutes instead of 2 hours. You can use this to create client reports, show your clients what you've done for them, traffic growth, lead generation, customer acquisition, all that. Make it visual, make it impressive, and do it in minutes. You can use this to create training materials. Let's say you're teaching your team how to use a new AI tool. You have data on how it works. You have examples of what it can do, upload that to Claude, and it creates a full training deck. Step-by-step instructions, visual examples, everything your team needs to learn. And you didn't have to spend all day making it. You can use this for investor pitches. You need a pitch deck and it needs to look good. With Claude, you upload your business data, your growth numbers, your customer metrics, and it creates a professional pitch deck that you can show to investors and actually get funded. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but is it really worth it? And here's my answer. If you make presentations, yes. If you ever have to turn data into slides, yes. If you want to save time and look professional, yes. Because here's the thing. If you're spending 5 hours a week making slides, that's 20 hours a month. That's 240 hours a year. That's 6 full weeks of work just making slides. Now imagine you could get that time back. What would you do with it? You could work on growing your business. You could spend time with your family. You could learn new skills. You could do literally anything else. And that's the real value here. It's not about making slides. It's about getting your time back so you can focus on what actually matters, getting more customers, growing your business, building something real. Now, let me talk about some of the limitations because I don't want to overhype this. Claude in PowerPoint is amazing, but it's not magic. First, it's only for paid Claude users, Max Team or Enterprise. If you're on the free plan, you can't use it. So you need to upgrade. Second, it's still AI, which means it's not always perfect. Sometimes it makes formatting mistakes. Sometimes it picks weird colors. Sometimes it doesn't understand exactly what you want and you have to fix it. But like I said, that's fine because it still saves you a ton of time. Third, you still need good data. Claude can't make something out of nothing. If your Excel file is a mess, your presentation will be a mess. So you need to organize your data first. Make sure it's clean, make sure it makes sense, then Claude can work with it. Fourth, you still need to know what you want. Claude is a tool. It does what you tell it to do. If you give it a vague prompt, you get a vague presentation. But if you're specific, it'll give you exactly what you need. Okay? So think about your goal first. What are you trying to communicate? Who's your audience? What do they need to see? Then tell Claude and it will deliver. Now let's talk about the bigger picture because Claude in PowerPoint is just one example of something way bigger. AI is taking over knowledge work, writing, editing, designing, analyzing, all of it. And this is just the beginning. In the next year, we're going to see AI integrated into every tool you use, Google Docs, Excel, Photoshop, everything. And if you're not learning how to use these tools, you're going to fall behind because the people who know how to use AI are going to move faster. They're going to produce better work, they're going to get more customers, and they're going to win. So the question is, are you going to be one of them or are you going to stick with the old way of doing things, spending hours on tasks that AI could do in seconds? I know what I'm choosing, and I think you should too. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Claude. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.